Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, let's talk to you about how you can quickly and easily set up a custom lock screen on your iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to the channel before watching this interesting video. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments. So let's get down to our topic. And very easily you can, dear friends, on your iPhone to set yourself a custom or, so to speak, personal lock screen. In order to do this, swipe your iPhone from the left side, top to bottom, to open the curtain. Now tap and hold on the empty box. Then you will see your different wallpapers. Now you can just click on the plus at the bottom of and proceed to create your new wallpaper and further to customize your lock screen already. So you can choose any wallpaper that you see here. There are so many different variations here. Pick one that you like, or you can just click on the photo section and choose a wallpaper from the gallery that you like. Once you have chosen a wallpaper, please click on it. Then, when the image is loaded, you will have this page. Here you can click Add Widgets and add any widgets you want. If you want to add small widgets, then you can fit up to 4 widgets. If it's going to be large widgets, like weather and something else, then you can add 2 widgets. So there you go. Now, as you can see, you have your widgets added. You'll also be able to click on the clock and customize somehow the appearance of the clock on your iPhone. You can change the boldness, you can change the font, color, and so many other there are settings as you can see. Also friends, you'll be able to choose your own quick buttons. You can click, for example, on the option to delete and click on the plus sign. This way you can select the quick button that you need. Then just click Add. Next, friends, apply this kind of wallpaper. And thus, as you can see, you will have customized your custom lock screen now on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, and make sure to put your likes. Bye everyone.